Christmas for you.
Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are resuming the docket, and this court is calling Ehab Snayan. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. If I'm not, please correct.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Ehab Snayan, the case number is V501-02122. Ehab Ahmed Snayan. And the charge is PRT rec license. This is a date and time for trial. I am not sure what that PRT stands for. Mr. Snayan, can you say your name for the record? Tell me what that charge is, if you know.
Ehab Snayan. And based on my research, it's a parts and wrecker license.
Okay. Thank you for that help.
You're welcome.
All right, sir. Mr. Snayan, and also Tiffany Stevens. Ms. Stevens, case number SP128-09971. Tiffany Anna Stevens, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, that same ticket. No insurance. Both matters scheduled for pretrial. Ms. Tiffany Stevens, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Tiffany Anna Marie Stevens.
Thank you. And then Mr. Vincent Simmons. Mr. Vincent Simmons, your case number is SP123-32891. Vincent Edward Simmons, driver's license suspended. This is the date and time for pretrial for Mr. Simmons. Sir, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Vincent Simmons.
Thank you. And Ms. Payne, your appearance.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Ms. Stevens, Mr. Simmons, and Mr. Sanayan.
How do you wish to proceed, Ms. Payne?
Your Honor, after discussions with the city attorney this morning, it is my understanding that all three of these cases are going to be dismissed.
So ordered. All matters are dismissed pursuant to the prosecutor's recommendation. And I believe that is because of compliance. I don't know, Mr. Morgan, if you're still on the screen in the virtual courtroom, are these matters all in compliance? Is that the reason for their dismissal? He's not here, but.
Yes, Your Honor, that is my understanding.
Okay. All right, then. We accept that, right, Ms. Stevens?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
What about you, Mr. Simmons?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Snayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, enjoy your day. Thank you for your patience. You may disconnect. And
Okay.
Have a good holiday.
Thank you so much, you too. We're bringing in Mr. Danielle Smith.
All of y'all the same.
All right. Mr. Snayan, you can, okay. Mr. Danielle Smith, case number SP131-32771. Donnell Smith, improper plates. Count 2, that same ticket. Driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. All matters scheduled for pretrial today. Mr. Danielle Smith, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Danielle Smith.
Thank you. Who's representing Mr. Smith? Mr. Smith, you're making me dizzy.
I apologize. I'm at work. I will have to come somewhere quiet.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Wait till you get there.
I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Who's
You're
representing Mr. Mr. Smith?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Danielle Smith. Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to discuss this case. I've advised Mr. Smith of his trial rights. There has been an offer by the city attorney that if Mr. Smith would plead guilty to the improper plates tickets, they would dismiss the other two charges, which are unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. And Mr. Smith indicates he wishes to take advantage of this offer.
Thank you so much. Mr. Smith, you have heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes.
So were you advised of your right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Smith, if you were to have a trial, normally it would take place inside of the 36th District Court. But because of the pandemic, the courthouse is closed to the public. And so you have agreed to participate on the Zoom technology today. Is that correct?
Yes.
Mr. Smith, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney about all of your rights?
Yes.
Or did anyone threaten you, promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty, sir, because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty, you will be waiving or giving up your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Smith, please raise your right hand and be sworn. Sir, do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. On the date, the time, and the location indicated in the ticket ending in 32771. Mr. Smith, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you stopped by a police officer?
Yes.
Were the plates on that vehicle improper?
Yes.
Okay, do you know what was wrong with them?
It was my mom's car. She had the I don't know. She was going through something, but she has her license back and everything. But yeah, the plates were improper, I think. Yes.
Oh, all right, and Ms. Payne, are you satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, that's the reversal, Mr. Smith. The court will accept the guilty plea being satisfied with the factual basis. I say reversal because usually it's the son that's doing something that the mom didn't know about. Now it's the mom doing something the son didn't know about.
Yes.
All right, the court will also accept the recommendation to dismiss the remaining two charges previously read into the record. Improper plates has a fine of $105, and we can give you 30 days to pay that if you need it. Do you need
Yes.
30 days, Mr. Smith?
Yes, ma'am, please.
All right, so we'll give you 30 days to pay. You can pay online on the 36districtcourt.org app, online on the DivDat app, or if you need to come in person on the first floor of the courthouse. Any questions, Mr. Smith?
No.
All right, sir, you may disconnect from the hearing. Thank you so much. Thank you for your
Thank
patience.
you.
You're welcome. I'm going to bring in Mr. Sword, Jamal Sword. That case number is SP 128-31751, Jamel Marquise Sword. No insurance, count two, that same ticket, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle, and SP 128-32021, driving 1 to 5 miles over the speed limit. Mr. Sword, if you're in the virtual courtroom, sir, please say your name for the record.
Jamel Marquis Soward.
Pronounce your last name.
Soward.
Soward, thank you. All right, who's representing Mr. Soward?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Soward this morning. Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to discuss this case, and we've had an opportunity to go over Mr. Soward's trial rights, and he's indicated he wishes to accept the offer from the prosecution, which is he will plead responsible to 1 to 5 speeding ticket, 1 to 5 over, and the other two counts, no insurance, unregistered, untitled vehicle, will be dismissed.
Thank you, Ms. Payne. Mr. Soward, you have heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with
Yes.
that representation? And sir, because this is a civil infraction, we don't need to swear you in or to take a factual basis. We merely need your plea of responsible to the ticket ending in 2021, driving 1 to 5 miles over the speed limit. Are you pleading responsible to that charge, sir?
Yes.
Okay, court will accept a responsible plea. We will also accept the recommendation to dismiss the remaining 2 matters previously read into the record. Your fine, Mr. Soward, is $125, and you'll have 14 days to pay. Is that enough time for you, Mr. Soward?
Yes.
All right, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. You can pay that online, 36districtcourt.org, or online on the DivDat app, or in person if you need to, on the first floor of the courthouse at the pay window. Any questions, Mr. Soward?
Nope. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. You may disconnect, and we're going to bring in Ali Harper, Shamar Ali Harper. And that case number is SP 124-11841. Ali Harper, Shamar Ali Harper. The charge is improper plates. Count 2 of that same ticket. No operator's license on person. Oh, whatever. The person didn't come in. Shamar Ali Harper.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I'm going to call your case numbers again. I didn't know you weren't in the room. SP 124-11841, Shamar Ali Harper, improper plates, count 2 of that same ticket, no operator's license on person. Both matters are scheduled for pretrial. Mr. Ali Harper, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Shamar Harper.
All right, sir. So Ali is not part of your name. It's not,
Yeah.
is it?
Yes.
How does that work? Is your last name hyphenated, or is that your middle name?
Yes.
Which one? Which one? Your middle name, or that's
My last name. I got 2 last names.
okay? So, okay. Do you use them both as a hyphenated name?
Yes. No,
Okay.
just Ely. Ely.
Ely hyphen Harper.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Who's representing Mr. Ely Harper?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, P38749, representing Mr. Ali Harper. Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to discuss this matter, and I've advised Mr. Ali Harper of his trial rights. There's an offer by the city attorney that if Mr. Harper, Ali Harper, would plead guilty to improper plates, they would dismiss the remaining count of operating with a license not on person. He's indicated he wished to accept that offer.
Thank you, Mr. Ely Harper. You have heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes.
Sir, were you advised of your right to a trial?
Yeah.
Now, Ms. Payne, is this a civil infraction? Improper plates is, right?
It's scheduled for a pretrial, Your Honor. So while it is a 0 points.
Well, because it is because of the, oh, well, maybe, I don't know. Okay, we'll take a factual basis because I'm not sure how they wrote it. I think you can write it either way, but all right, I'll treat it as a misdemeanor. So Mr. Ali Harper, were you advised of your right to a trial?
Yes.
Sir, if you were to have a trial, it would normally take place inside of the 36th District Court. But because of the pandemic, the courthouse has been closed to the public. And so you have agreed to participate on the Zoom technology. Is that correct?
Yes.
Mr. Ali Harper, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney about all of your rights?
No.
Right to a trial. Did you say you had the right to a trial?
Yes.
Right to have witnesses? Okay. So did you have the opportunity to speak to her about all of those rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty, you will be waiving or giving up your right to a trial?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I need you to raise your right hand and be sworn. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Mr. Lee Harper, on the date, the time, and the location indicated in the case ending in 11841, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you stopped by a police officer?
Yes.
Officer observed that the plates on your vehicle were improper.
Yes.
And sir, are you acknowledging that they were in fact improper?
Yes.
Ms. Payne, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will accept the guilty plea, being satisfied with the factual basis. We will also accept the recommendation to dismiss the remaining charge previously read into the record. The fine, Mr. Ellie Harper, is $105. We can give you 30 days to pay that. Are you able to pay the $105 within 30 days?
Yes.
Sir, you can pay online, 36districtcourt.org, online on the DivDat app, or in person if you need to come in on the first floor of the courthouse at the pay window. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, sir, you may disconnect from the hearing. Ms. Payne, is there anyone else to come before the court before I?
In this courtroom session, the judge handled a series of traffic-related cases efficiently, beginning with several defendants, including Ehab Snan, Tiffany Stevens, and Vincent Simmons, whose matters were all dismissed upon the prosecutor's recommendation after it was confirmed that they had come into compliance with legal requirements, bringing their cases to a close without further penalties. The court then proceeded to the case of Donald Smith, who, after consulting with counsel, agreed to plead guilty to an improper plates charge in exchange for dismissal of more serious counts, including driving an unregistered vehicle and no insurance. The judge confirmed that the plea was voluntary and informed, accepted it based on a factual basis, and imposed a $105 fine with 30 days to pay. Next, Jamel Soward resolved his case by pleading responsible to a minor speeding infraction, leading to dismissal of additional charges, and was fined $125 with 14 days to pay. Finally, Shamar Ellie Harper also accepted a plea agreement, admitting guilt to improper plates, while another charge was dismissed. After ensuring his rights were understood and the plea was voluntary, the court imposed a $105 fine with 30 days for payment. Overall, the session demonstrated routine docket management, with the court resolving multiple cases through dismissals based on compliance and negotiated plea agreements, ensuring each defendant understood their rights and obligations before concluding their matters.